Hello friends, and welcome to you all in Learn Literature. In this video we will learn about epic. The video is all about epic. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see, epic. What is epic? First question. So epic is basically long narrative poem written in an elevated style celebrating exploits of a hero who has a national significance. Alright, so this is a mean of the epic. Okay, and the word epic is derived from Greek epikos, okay, which means narrative poem. Alright, it's all about narrative. Epics are faithful record of time and they dramatize whole era. Means whole era, we can say story of the whole era. Okay, in the form of narrative poem. So, this is a chief characteristic of epic. First one, epic are faithful record of the time and they dramatize whole era, whole era in history of civilization. The composer means writer, we can say poet of epic have fine awareness of historical perception. They aim at a full synthesis of cherished value of their race. Means the poet glorified to their race. Okay, and second one, epic do not deal with comic and idyllic matters. Means it is serious. Okay, it's not comic, it's not idyllic, it's a serious. And epic writers always deal with grand style. Means style is very grand, we can say. And eternal human problems means that time's problem, they highlighted that problems. All right, this is a characteristic of epic. And third one, epic are dominated by men of heroic quality. Means they were showing heroic quality in epic. Okay, who was always eager to perform great and difficult deed. Obviously, when one hero are in our story, so he wanted to do difficult tasks. Okay, so fourth one is action of epic is often controlled by supernatural agent. So this was we can say apart from the other form of poetry that in epic there is often controlled by supernatural agents, means divine power. Okay, next one is epic poets in search of divine inspiration involve gods in order to fulfill their desired task. Alright, they want to fulfill their desired task, that's why it involves God. Sixth one, epic writer begin this story at a critical point in action. Means beginning point of epic is very critical. Okay, for example, Paradise Lost begin with narration of fallen angel in hell with Saturn gathering his force and declaring his intention to taking revenge. Alright, so this is a situation how epic is started. Okay, In the epic, the theme of the poem is stated in first few lines. It is technically called proposition. Proposition. All right. So in first few lines, it declared that what is the theme. Like in Paradise Lost, man's first act of this disobedience is the theme and central of the plot is clearly stated to be temptation of Eve by internal shake. So you can understand by the story of Adam and Eve. So kinds of epic. So there are 4 kinds of epic. Okay. First is called epic proper. Epic proper. Okay. And second is mock epic. Second is mock epic. And third one is authentic and epic of growth. Third is authentic and epic of growth. And fourth is termed as a literary epic or epic of art. So proper epic, second one is mock epic, third authentic epic, and fourth is literary epic. Okay. So next these are some examples of epic. So as you can see, the rape of Locke, Alexander Pope. Second one is Hudibras, Butler, Paradise Lost, and these all Divine Comedy. So these are an example of epic. All right. So this is all about the epic. So thank you very much all of you.